everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is quite different to normal. You are currently looking at the doll's house that I bought way back in 2020, just before the pandemic really kicked off. So when I got it, I did mention that I'd got a bargain doll's house and asked if anyone would like to see it, and quite a few people said yes. So apologies for the fact it's taken so long to share, but the reason I am sharing today is because in 2022 this is going to be one of my projects that I work on through the year, and I am going to restore this and make it beautiful again. So I thought I'd share with you now how it's looking today, show you inside, and just see if there's any interest in joining me on the process of restoring this beautiful house. It is quite substantial. You can see it's up high on a bureau that I got from Zelda's house. Two reasons for that is, one, makes it easier to film and to get at, and secondly, it keeps it out of Philippa's reach because she would destroy this, I think. So let's explore the house together. Let me take you through how it is now, and don't forget to let me know if you'd like to join me on the process of restoring it. So I intend to totally redo this house. As you can see, the windows aren't in great shape. I'm going to put window boxes on. I think you can put window boxes on those bits. There is no front door at the moment, so I need a new front door. The windows are all different colours. Not really sure why, but they are, so they need completely redoing. The roof's in quite good shape. There are two chimney pots. The one on the left actually needs gluing back on because that comes off in your hand. But apart from that, the outside isn't too bad. So let's open it up and I'll show you inside. Okay. So this is the kitchen. I apologise for any dust. This hasn't been looked at for quite some time because it was somewhere I couldn't get to easily. But this is the kitchen as it stands today. This cooker is actually glued in. I can't get that out, so that's going to have to stay. But I quite like that, and it kind of will fit with the period. I want to go oldie worldy, so that'll fit. I'm going to have to take this flooring up. I'm not keen on that. And I don't like the wallpaper in there either. I'm told you can use papercraft pads to do doll's houses, so I'll be going through my stash and having a look at what I've got. There's a little shelf unit here. That might even be the front door, I don't know. Then we come into the hall. It's got like a fake carpet. Not sure how I would get all the way to the back, so that might have to stay as it is. And then we have this room here. Now, a lot of the furniture is mixed, so there's some modern, some older stuff. I quite like this little pot. I do want to get Philippa her own doll's house, so I'm sure some of the furniture could transfer to that. And we have this room here. I love this little Singer sewing machine. That's really cute. Not keen on the wallpaper, I'll be honest. We have another staircase. We have another room here. Again, the door has fallen off. And we go upstairs. We have this bed with a trundle bed underneath. And an old dresser type thing. We have another staircase. I'm not sure if I'm going to light it up, I'll be honest. That might be a bit much for a first time person like me. And we have this room here. Now these are things Dawn Sutton really kindly sent me when she heard that I'd bought the doll's house, because Dawn used to, I think she used to make doll's house furniture or make accessories. So that was really kind of her, and I'll probably be picking her brains when I'm restoring this to see if she can offer any advice. But yeah, that is currently how the house is looking today. What do you think? I think it can look really beautiful, and I'm really excited to get stuck in. And I think it's going to be another very expensive hobby, but I'm really excited to start. So let me know in comments if you would like to come on the journey with me while I totally gut and redo this house. Let me know what you think of it. If you're not already subscribed, I'd love it if you would subscribe, and if you've liked this little video, please give it a lovely thumbs up. I'll be back really soon, guys. Thanks so much for watching today. Take care. See you soon.